Hey guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Minds. In a video I previously made, the top 3 mistakes for day trading, I've talked about how you should trade like a robot in order to avoid making horrific mistakes that can drain your account faster than the speed of light. And remember, it's because robots don't have emotions, right? However, we are sadly not robots, or not even Vulcan, for that matter. So in this episode, we're going to be talking about the 4 emotions that you definitely will feel when you're trading or when you're putting your money on the line for any reason. And these 4 deadly sins will cause you to make irrational choices that will crush your trading career. Number 1, fear. This one's definitely there, right? However, remember when you first started trading and you first got into the stock market, you might have made one trade and it turned out to be a giant winner. And then you entered another trade. Hey, another big winner. And you can't lose. There was no fear. But have you remember when you hit your first loss and then another loss and then another loss after that? Fear mindset starts kicking in and you start thinking, what if I lose the next one? What if I'm wrong on my trade? What if I'm reading my indicators wrong? With fear, this can become crippling. You might see the perfect setup, but hesitate because you had 5 losses previously. The gripping feeling will hold you up and prevent you from making high probability plays. The second emotion that you will feel is hope. So you've entered a play, but this play starts going the other way on you, and it's not looking good. But instead of stopping out, you start moving your stop loss to a lower price, or you just remove it altogether. You start to hope that Obi-Wan Kenobi is going to use the Force to push the bulls to the moon. But guess what? It keeps going down and down and down, and you start thinking to yourself, it's gotta bounce. It has to bounce, but more percentage down. And at a certain point, when you feel max pain and you sell, whether it actually bounces or it doesn't bounce, it doesn't matter, because at this point, you've lost more than you've anticipated. As quoted from the great movie The Shawshank Redemption, which I think everybody should watch, hope can be a dangerous thing. It can certainly be very beautiful, but it's something that you shouldn't incorporate into your trading plan. No one should be hoping that their play is going to go their way. Every play should be supported with evidence, with indicators, and multiple sources of evidence. The police doesn't just go to court and hope that their case works out. They go prepared with notes and facts and evidence ready to present. And when you're hoping in a trade, that means you're most likely going to lose. The third emotion you will feel when trading is greed. This one is easy to distinguish. You ever have a very positive trade and you're going to say to yourself that I'm going to hold on for a little bit longer. And even though there's evidence that there's going to be a reversal, this positive play then turns into a negative play and you make a significant loss instead. Greed is always amongst us. We want more cash, more time, more life, and it's normal to want that. However, when we overextend ourselves and let it consume us, it eats us and can take us further away from the things that we wanted in the first place. The more greedy we are, the smaller the account. The fourth emotion that we often feel is often something we don't recognize. This is regret. Oh man, I missed that 200% move. If only I was there this morning. Oh man, Bob entered and I didn't. These painful emotions will make us want to enter a stock even though when it's overextended. FOMO, fear of missing out gains, is real. Either you miss entering a position and that stock goes 200% upwards, or you exited one too soon and you left gains on the table. Regret will always be there waiting for you. I always believe that it's better to miss a play than to enter a losing one. And it's always better to exit too soon than to exit for a loss. Trading and investing is all about consistency. It's not about making 100% gains every day, as that's likely not even possible. If you can plan your trades, have high percentage of winnings, minimize your losses, and rule out your emotions, then your account will grow exponentially, and it will grow long term. So in the comments below, let me know what other times do you feel these 4 emotions, not just in trading, but in life. In life, these emotions can cripple your decision-making skills, and just by being aware that these feelings and emotions exist, we can accept them and we can better control them. Stay put for my 5th and secret emotion. And if you like more content, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.